This is component 1 in class question book for the upper 6 and question 4 essay. Biochemical reaction cells involve cyclic pathways that occur within compartments. Compare the Krebs cycle and Calvin cycle. So we're comparing those and their biochemistry, okay. And explain why cellular compartmentalization is so important in both cycles. Yeah, okay. So the content you're going to need, the content and the knowledge, you're going to have Krebs, Calvin. So those are going to be two bits of content, and then you're going to have to link those together. Compare those, and then you've got the cellular compartmentalization. What a great word. And that's your third cloud. So 3 areas, but 2 of them you're going to have to compare. So if we're going to compare these, if I do it as a table, then you could do it as comparative statements in the essay. So we've got our Calvin cycle and our Krebs cycle, and yeah, we can just start to do comparisons. So we could do where, for example. So chloroplasts, mitochondria. The name of the process, so we've got Calvin cycle, that's photosynthesis, and Krebs cycle we've got respiration. We have got products being made, makes a 3-carbon sugar or TP. What happens in mitochondria? In the Krebs cycle, it breaks down that 2-carbon sugar, so it breaks down 2-carbon, or the name for that kind of acetyl coenzyme A, that, or acetate. Jobs that this does: Calvin cycle fixes CO2. This produces CO2. So there's 2 instances of it producing CO2. Uses our hydrogen carrier, so uses NADPH. Could have a 2 there, or reduced NADP. But this Krebs cycle produces a hydrogen carrier, so produces NADH, obviously not with the P. Calvin cycle uses ATP, produces ATP. Enzymes, we could say uses Rubisco, which is our carboxylase, whereas our Krebs cycle uses dehydrogenase decarboxylase. So we've got a carboxylase as opposed to a decarboxylase. So that's our comparison. So your sentences will be nice sentences with as many of those points as you can remember. The cellular compartmentalization, compartment. So I always think of it compartment and then alization. Alization. So compartmentalization. So why is this not?